What's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This is Ray from Senfeng Laser. I want to start today's show by a question that always been asked. What are the options available when we need to repair some high value and precision engineered components such as molding, forging dies, and gas turbine shafts that undergo wear or damage? One obvious way is just to replace them with a new one, which is cost prohibitive. The other possibility is to prolong their service life by a reliable and scientific proven way, and that is where the laser cladding helps. Senfeng has rich experience in laser cladding technology and has done numerous repairing and enhancing jobs for different workpieces from different industries. And today I'm going to show you 4 main series of our laser cladding machines. Follow me. First is an ultra high-speed laser cladding machine with very fast rotary speed, which is up to 200 rounds per minute. Round laser spot with diameter of 3 mm is adopted. A small spot like this can generate highly concentrated heat input with very limited heat effect zone to avoid deformation, and get high adhesion strength due to metallurgical bond with minimal dilution. Now let's have a closer look at the key components. This is the laser cladding head. It adopts an annual high-speed cladding nozzle and powder separator. This design helps increase efficiency and can utilize powder to the maximum. As for the powder feeder, we have this double barrel pneumatic powder feeder as standard configuration. If you are preparing different functions, you can put different powders separately into the 2 barrels. If you are in the business of repairing shafts or cylinders or some different shapes like camshafts, this is your best choice. The second model I'd like to recommend is this rectangular spot laser cladding machine. Check its laser cladding head. Adopted spot size 40 by 2 mm, so the efficiency is quite impressive. The cladding area is 10 times larger than using round spot within the same time. It created an enhanced layer with extremely low dilution rate and much higher bonding strength than traditional ways like plating. It is mainly used in mining, machinery manufacturing, printing industry, food industry, and other fields. Together with rectangular laser spot, we adopt a gravity powder feeder, which is specially designed by our R&D team. It's very durable, which saves maintenance during operation. It is widely used in many industries for repairing rollers or cylinders, and it's very easy to operate, almost no need for maintenance. Now let's move on with our robotic laser cladding workstation. This is a multiple-use laser cladding working station that can handle different shapes of works. One machine can do almost all kinds of works you will take. This equipment is mainly composed of 6-axis industrial robots, biaxial servo positioner, laser source, cladding head, and man-machine control system. The working range of the robot is 6 meters and arm span is 1.8 meters, which can be used for longer and bigger components. With the help of biaxial servo positioner, it can repair special shaped workpiece with highly flexibility, such as balls and curved surfaces. As a special note, this workstation is superb for crank-shaped repair. Lastly is our mobile robotic laser cladding working system. This whole working system is highly integrated with 6-axis industrial robot, powder feeder, control system, laser source, water chiller in a compact layout, which makes it easy to move away, superb at offering failed repair solutions. It can greatly reduce the machine downtime and make the repair fast and efficient. The system is simple to operate, which can be used for multiple purposes, and realize the laser cladding for normal shaped repair, flat work pieces, curved face, and other special shaped parts. Moreover, we are also developing the inner wall laser cladding. It can repair the inner wall of cylinder or shafts with minimum diameter of 120 mm and maximum length 3 meters. Also, we have some testing device to see if the enhanced surface is getting harder. This is a machine to test the hardness of the cladding surface. And this is the self-spory test to see if the surface is corrosion resistant. This is the wear resistance testing machine and the high power microscope for observing metallic structure. Our R&D team have been devoted to the research of powder composition to provide a tailor-made solution, not only to achieve 3 to 5 times longer service life, but also to keep it to the minimal cost. This is a new advanced technology that with great potential, and grasp the chance and make a fortune out of it. I'm pretty sure you are interested in it. Contact us with the information shown below. See you next time. Bye bye.